Are you restless? Do you want to get rid of everything under a lot of stress and tension? Is your mind stuck? Are you exhausted? Hi there, brain warriors. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the mind's remarkable capacities. We're discussing your brain is broken and how a few easy steps can help you realize your full potential. Subscribe to our channel and stay updated on brain-boosting discoveries. This video is designed for students, professionals, and those interested in the mind's limitless potential. Take a seat and get ready to learn the scientifically proven techniques that will enable you to mend your damaged brain. Number 1. Getting rid of the pornographic shackles. Now is the time to stop using porn. Although it could appear to be a harmless pastime, the truth is much darker. It not only costs you valuable time, but it also severely impairs your ability to concentrate. Research indicates a clear connection between watching porn and the prefrontal cortex's decline, which affects willpower, impulse control, and emotional regulation. The detrimental effects are severe and can include depression, increased anxiety, and difficulty focusing. Worse yet, watching porn can harm committed partnerships and possibly cause infertility. The faster you give up, the faster you take back control. Number 2. Exercise your gray matter of your brain. Regular physical activity has been linked to improved cognitive performance, according to research. Engage in activities you enjoy releasing endorphins such as dancing, going for a brisk walk, or going to the gym. According to the study, physical activity may enhance gray matter volume. This is advantageous because, as one report summarizing the study states, the volume of gray matter appears to correlate with various skills and cognitive abilities. Early in development, the ectoderm gives rise to gray matter. After age 8, the brain's gray matter starts to shrink in some regions, while its density rises in other parts more than in others. The individual can process information at a higher level and continue to develop mentally thanks to this increase in density. Number 3. Find your purpose. What caused these addictions in the first place? Surprisingly, it's a deep sense of meaninglessness rather than perversion or past trauma. You are more prone to these compulsive habits when you lack a defined goal. Every person should have a guiding principle that serves as their North Star and keeps them moving forward. It is the remedy for purposeless addiction. Your guiding light on the path to success is your particular purpose. Discovering and working for your purpose is essential whether you're establishing a business or taking a different route. Here are following 5 advantages of discovering your purpose. Your life has meaning when you follow your purpose. A value system is created when one finds its purpose. Understanding your purpose boosts your sense of self-worth. Living for your purpose is beneficial to your mental and physical health, and pursuing your purpose brings happiness and fulfillment. Number 4. Eliminating soft porn. Your concentration and self-control are threatened by more than just simply classic porn. Soft pornography is just as common and harmful. Our social media feeds are always filled with half-naked bodies luring us. It's time to unfollow the dancers on TikTok and the models on Instagram. These diversions erode your concentration and impair your future. You can get rid of the things that lead you to pornography by severing your connection to soft porn. Scientists warn that softcore porn can seriously harm your mind. Even so-called softcore pornography can have detrimental psychological effects and cause desensitization in certain people. Number 5. Stop chasing women. Another distraction that needs to be put aside to succeed is chasing women. Dating or chasing relationships nonstop can cause you to lose concentration. The first and most important objective should be to develop into a person of substance. As you become the best version of yourself, not only will your focus increase, but excellent women will naturally gravitate towards you. In terms of time and effort, chasing women too early in your path might have significant opportunity costs. According to research, experiencing new love triggers the brain's reward region in a similar way to how drugs become addicted to the brain. It might be difficult to kick an addiction like the hunt. Number 6. Meditation and mindfulness. Make mindfulness exercises a part of your everyday routine. Deep breathing, yoga, and meditation are some practices that can help lower stress and enhance mental function. It can strengthen the parts of your brain in charge of learning, memory, focus, and self-awareness. Additionally, the technique can assist in reducing sympathetic nervous system activity. Mindfulness meditation can improve memory, attention, and cognitive function over time. According to the research study, those who practiced meditation increased their IQ on average by 23%. The fact that intense meditation reduces brain activity is one of the causes. The brain is better able to realign itself when brain waves are slower. Your brain gets better when you give it a break. Number 7. Accepting delayed gratification. Many of these problems are caused by dopamine, which is the brain's reward system. Seeking external dopamine fixes breaks your concentration and impairs your productivity. Understanding delayed gratification is crucial. You have to go within yourself for fulfillment as opposed to depending on outside factors. You may resist the allure of instant, inexpensive dopamine by learning to recognize the benefits of perseverance and accomplishment. The capacity for delayed gratification to accomplish long-term objectives is known as delayed gratification. It calls for discipline, self-control, and the capacity to put future results ahead of current gratification. Folks, there you have it. Your brain is an amazing organ, and you can take care of it and give it the support it needs. Recall that these are only basic recommendations for specific advice. It's always advisable to speak with a healthcare provider. Cheers to a more contented and robust mind. Now, it's in your hand to make your brain better and stronger and live a satisfied life with a healthy brain. Please subscribe and press that like button so more people can find it. And you may want to check out the video showing on screen now. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.